What's up, everybody? Nate Kopic back with Germain Vans. Today we are in an awesome 23 Chevy Express 2500 that has been converted by Explorer Conversion Vans. This one is stock number GA100. Let's take a look inside and out of this thing to see what you're getting yourself into. Again, this is a 2023. It does have power windows, locks, and mirrors. Coming in your driver's door here. Power running board, a little running board for this side because there's no door over here. Got a aftermarket tweeter there in the door. Premium diamond stitched leather seating. This stuff is so soft. These are power heated seats with lumbar controls. While we're right here, a couple cup holders. Check this out. You got yourself a nice cooler built right in the center. More cup holders here with some storage there. Got your power boards running. Switch. I'll get in here and close the door. Got tinted windows all the way around. This don't look very dark, but you'll see on the outside that it's really dark. You can't even see in. We'll start up here. Controls for your lights in the rear. Rear heat and air control. Nothing there, just a regular light. Got some little lights there. Nice touchscreen radio. Looks like it's got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with Bluetooth, Sirius, whatever you want. Backup camera goes in there as well. Watch this. It's there and in the mirror. I actually used both of them when I was pulling in, so that was nice. I'm gonna turn this AC on a little bit. Got your OnStar buttons down there. Let's see what we got on the steering wheel here. Cruise control, hands-free options for your radio. Really nice. Let's take a look in the back. I'm actually going to walk around. More power running boards on this side of the van. First thing I notice is these privacy shades. These are in every window in the back of the van. So all of these all the way around, even in the back windows. Take a look at these premium leather stitched seats. Now down here, see this? With just a lift of this right here, that seat disconnects from the floor. So it's easy, quick disconnect. You also have the swivel option here. It's where the seats swivel. That will turn all the way around. I don't want to lock it in because it's hard to get with my left hand. Armrest on both sides. Got the dark gray carpet, black, whatever you want to call it. Bluetooth. You got your game hook up there, HDMI. You can turn the speakers around the vehicle on and off. Your TV. Some more surround speakers. Got some Bluetooth headsets in the back of the seats here. Your remote controls. Ambient lighting in the cup holders. I'm gonna step back so you can kind of see. Beautiful interior. Look at this ceiling. Got an infinity light. I call it an infinity light. I don't know what it's actually called, but high top Vista roof with the ambient lighting and the tracks up here. Speakers, lit storage. Got some HDMI hookups back here for charging. And I'm gonna show you the TV view here. Look at how nice that is. Who wouldn't want to be driving down the road in something like this? I'm going to show you the back of the vehicle now. Remember I mentioned that tent? Pretty dark, huh? Explorer badging. See how far these doors open. Got some storage down there in the bottom of the doors. Ooh, nice dual exhaust. Handles here, hand here, foot there. If you wanted to get up in here. Little bin here. Now this one says vacuum, but at the time there's actually a little sheet in there that says they were on restraint when this one was built. Got your jack accessories in this one. Check this out. Turns into a bed, or you could put storage on there too, I guess. You could stack, you know, whatever kind of storage you have on there. So we'll fold that back up. Oh, I didn't even realize that there was storage right here as well. Nice. Let's take a look at the outside of this thing, shall we? The inside is super cool. What's the outside offer? This is like an ivory white color. I do like the white on white. You got the LEDs down here in the front bumper. Check this out. This is a step. So you can get up, clean your windshield. Nice chrome grille. I believe this is painted in the package. I wouldn't say it would come like that from factory, but I could be wrong. Look at how beautiful this thing is. Sport. Nice little clear lens there. Iconic Chevy wheels. These are a set of 20s. It's a limited SE. Look at that Explorer badging. Vista roof. Again, this is a high top. What we got from the back, your rear backup park sensors. You got the dual exhaust, and it's all set up to tow with your 4 and 7 pin hookup. Just a beautiful van. Does this look like something that you and your family could travel in or use on the weekends to go to events? Give me a call, 937-492-8005, extension 133. I'm Nate Kopic. I'll talk to you soon.